it's Dow here at the Firehouse Car Wash Detail Center. What I want to point out is we're teaching you how to detail the engine compartment like a professional is the typical overall appearance of the car we see when it comes in. A lot of their engine compartment. Well, of course, that's something we want to do. As a proud owner of a nice car like this, an Audi, you're not only going to want the outside to look good, you're going to want the inside to look good as well. Just a little tip here. What we want to do first is we want to come into the detail on the engine first. We want to get the hood, underside, the engine all cleaned, dressed, looking just the way we want it. And then we'll move on to the outside. So if you're doing an engine and a car detail, or an engine and even a wash, make sure we focus on the engine compartment before you go on to the outside, because inevitably you're going to have overspray come out, dirt, debris, and re-soil the car. Maybe even strip some of the wax off that with the cleaners and degreasers we're using. So we're going to make sure that we focus on the engine compartment first, get it looking just the way you want. Once we've closed the hood and we're happy underneath there, we're going to move on and do the outside of the car, whether that's cleaning, scratch removal, buffing, waxing, cleaning, etc., etc.